Hey guys, welcome back to Sister Fun. Today I'm with Maisie and it's bonfire night. So we've got some fireworks here. We've got some demon ones, but they're not like big ones. They're just like shh. They're just like sprinkler ones, whatever they're called. But yeah, because Maisie doesn't like loud noises. I don't think any dogs do, but especially Maisie. And we've got hot dogs too. I'm going to put her down because she's getting hungry. We've got hot dogs as well. So yeah, hopefully this will be ready soon. But okay guys, see you when the things are ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, you want to see that?
I heard a song on.
Come on then.
You're
Go.
trying to do a cartwheel. Ow! You're trying to do a handstand. Ow! You're trying to do a backbend. Yay! You're trying to do
Let's do something. Good. You need some more practice, but good. Hurry up. Do it on my hand. No, not my actual hand. In the video. It looks like you're doing it on my hand.
You're trying to walk.
And say jealousy.
Literally the best time of my life. I can't believe we're allowed to do this every day. I don't even. It's a good thing I've done my homework. I know you're videoing.
I'm not. I'll turn it off then.
Kind of. Oh God.
I'm your dog.
Tell me to sit and stop.
Who's got Maisie's light up colour on?
This is Maisie.
Hello. Maisie, sit. Maisie, sit. Maisie, sit. 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 No, she just wants the food. She's a floating dog. Oh. Are you ready? Oh, sorry, Maisie. That was me. That was my head. No, I've got my knee on it. Oh.
So we've got a light of colour on for the video.
No, not, you know, don't go over.
She hates it.
Aw, I love her.
I know it's done. What's this? Wait, I need this. What's this? Right, I'm getting a treat.
It flashes.
I've got a dance. I have 3 different modes.
So this one's fast. That's just flash. This one's like slow.
Guys,
Just on all the time.
guys, I'm going to show you a dance.
You're not even in the camera. Okay, you're in it.
Wait a sec. You know you dance, come on. Shall I do the full dance?
Sure.
Let's just say hold on. Come on.
What's this?
Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you.
Speak. 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 Maisie, speak. 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 Good girl.
No, that song is so horrible. It's so old. I know what song it is.
Good girl, Frank. Sit. Sit.
Good girl. Wait, I want to show you this trick. Is it? What's this?
Who sings it?
An old man apparently.
Mommy, look at her. Mommy, look at her.
You're on video. Going.
She knows how to get up the chair. She's on the chair. Make it to sit and do roll over and high five. And go.
Dance.
And lie down. Janae, make her do all the tricks you know.
Did you know so?